Hi everybody, this is Mr. Roche. We are working with our Pong game, or our air hockey game, and what we're trying to do is we're trying to get the puck to stop. I think for tonight, what I'd like to do is we're doing this, okay, and we just want the puck to bounce back. That's what we're looking to do, okay? So, what we want to do is this is an operation of the puck. It's something that would happen that the puck would do when it moves, okay? We have these things right now to draw inner and outer things. Okay, we're kind of cleaning things up. We're just running like a drawing now for an image of the puck, and that seems great. And we're gonna do something with this too. Like, really shouldn't be doing this. I mean, this is the right idea, but we need to do. We can clean this up as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go like this and move. Just get rid of this for a second. I'd like move puck to be extremely clean. Okay, and what I want move puck to do is I want to. Let's see. I'm gonna make two routines here. I'm gonna move puck and I'm gonna say deal with friction, which is what that thing was doing. Okay, and we'll get back to that because we can do other stuff. Okay, and then check for bounces. Okay, that's what I want us to do. Okay, and in doing this, I want to keep the move puck routine relatively clean, so you can understand what's happening. Okay, and so in that, what we're going to do is right below move puck, inside puck, we are going to do this. We are going to make two methods, and we're going to say deal with friction. Okay. We're going to say public void deal with friction, like that. Okay, and we're going to say, and see how the air goes way up above. I'm going to say public void check for bounces. Okay. Okay. Deal with friction. Let's deal with this tomorrow. Okay. So anyway, if I ran it and everything gets saved, see, it still does it. Okay. So it's just like cruising along out that way. But what I want to do is bounce on the edge here. Okay. So let's see how we could do that. Okay. What I want to do is I want to make a routine that would deal with that would bounce. I look for whether look at the speed. Okay. So I know that if the speed's going this way, the x speed is negative. That's what's going on there. If the speed's going this way, the x speed is positive. Okay. So if this is negative, then I need to check to see if it gets over to this edge. Okay. So so that's what we would do. So what I would do is I'd first look to see if the x speed of the puck is less than 0. That means that the x speed is negative. So if that's true, I don't know what I did here. I did something weird. If that's true, then I want to do some stuff. Okay. Then what I have to do basically is to check. Basically, I want to check a couple of things. I want to check the x location, basically. Let me see this. I want to check. The problem here is that we have, and I don't know. I guess I was planning this in like 2 stages, but maybe we could do this just all at once. Here, I want the thing to bounce here. If the puck's up higher, let me do that. I can set the x location here to be, or the y loc here to be higher. I can say y loc equals like puck d. So it's really high. Okay, I'm just kind of artificially putting it up there right now. That should be okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm just changing that. So if I run this, put the puck up here, it should actually bounce off the thing, right? Let's see. Maybe puck to is too low to see it. Let's do like puck to divided by 2. So there it goes. It should bounce here. I'm not going to let it go in this corner. Okay. And then like if it's really low, then equals like my table get width minus puck d. If I do this and run it, oh, I think it's like too low. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, it should be get height. There we go. So there it goes. It should bounce here, okay? So I wanted to kind of like just allow it to go to the goal over there, but just do that. Okay. So anyway, so what I need to do is figure out the coordinates for y. Okay. We can look at the y values that we can get. Okay, so I can find out here that y equals 0. I can find out that we figured out these get y tops, okay, and get y bottom values. This is where we call them, okay, and basically, and then this is the height. So basically, the puck, if it's in this, would work like this. If it's here, it's going to just go in, okay. Question occurs here. Here, it should probably bounce up, but we'll deal with that in a second. But here, what's going to happen is it should bounce here and go away. So basically, if the puck, its y location is at basically here or above, everything's good. And that here is my table get y top minus about half of the distance. Okay, so let's see if that works. So we'll try to write that out. Okay. Okay. And that's going to happen in here. So I'm saying if y log equals my table get my slide top minus puck d kind of divided by 2. Okay, maybe even less, divided by like say 1.5. Okay, I want to make an integer out of this whole thing. Alright, if that's true, then we want to bounce the puck right up early at the thing. Okay, so what I'm going to do, if that's true, I'm going to check the x coordinate. So I'm going to say if x log is less than my table dot get goal width, okay, then what I want to do is bounce it. If that's true, it's gone too far and I want to bounce it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go like this. I'm going to say set, okay, I'm going to say x log equals If it's less than this, then I'm going to set it to be that, so it stays on the table. And I'm going to set up here, I'm going to say x speed times equals -1, to like flip the speeds. Okay? And that should handle the problem. Okay, not for the middle goal, okay? But for the other thing. So let's see what happens here. Oh, it didn't do it. Okay. Oh, I know why, because I only checked one part. So I have to do the high part. So this will work if I go it'll work if I move the puck up to the top part, which is where I did this here. So I'm checking like a high-end puck. Let's try that. So, and that's good. That looks good. And then I have to deal with the other way. There's no friction yet or anything like that. It's just kind of floating along. Okay. And then, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have that work. Or I'm going to do this, okay. If this, right, or yloc is greater than my table dot get goal y bottom. Okay, it's the bottom one minus a little bit too. We'll pull it up a little bit. Okay, so run this. Okay, something happened. Oh, I got it bad. I might have misspelled something in the other class, so I'm gonna go over to Pong AirHockey real quick. Check out my my accessor methods. Yeah, I forgot to say bottom. There we go. So run that down. So it bounces up there pretty good. Let's go to the bottom one and test that out. I'm doing this by setting the parameter in the constructor. Oh, it's actually in puck, was there? So I'll try the bottom one again. That's the middle one. Oh, this is the bottom one here. And we'll see if it works on the bottom. Okay, that's good. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you how to do the goal in a separate video.